This video is going to show you how to make Lazy Girl cabbage rolls. You're going to need 3 pounds of ground chuck, 6 cans of tomato soup, salt and pepper, parsley, chopped onions, chopped garlic, 4 cups of rice already cooked. Just cook it like it says on the box. And 1 bag of classic coleslaw. Because you know what this is? It's just cabbage and carrots shredded up. So you don't have to parboil it or anything. You just stick it on the bottom of your pan. 3 cans of our tomato soup in. Just spread it around. And 3 cans of this tap water. This is condensed tomato soup. I always use Campbell's. Just tastes better to me. Okay, that is 2. Have your oven preheating on 365 while you're getting this ready. Then we're going to just take our meat. It's not cooked. We're just going to put it right on top because we're going to bake this in the oven for 2 to 3 hours till the cabbage is nice and soft. This is just a fast, easy way to make cabbage rolls. Has all the ingredients in it, and you just layer it, bake it in the oven. All the juice from the meat will go into the cabbage, make it soft and taste really good. Some of our spices in. 2 teaspoons of our garlic. About a tablespoon of onion flakes. About a tablespoon of parsley. It's right on top. Salt and pepper to taste. Just spread it around. A little bit of salt. Then we're going to put our already cooked rice on. Just spread it all around. Then we're going to put our other 3 cans of tomato soup on. Three cans of water. Okay, now we're just going to spread the soup out a little bit so it covers all the rice and the meat. Because this is condensed soup, it'll mix with the water. You need to cover it with aluminum foil, bake it for 2 hours, and then check it. The Lazy Girl cabbage rolls have just come out of the oven. Here's what it looks like. Put it in a bowl. It's all your cabbage and your meat and your sauce and everything in one bowl. Hope you like my recipe for lazy cabbage rolls, and like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.